is up, guys? It's Trey, and we're back for more horror on 7 days. Today it's just me, and we're gonna do day 2. Here we go. Alright, so we wake up. And I can't believe how much this looks like Minecraft. Like, it's so just pixel. I don't know. The drawer is locked. Okay. There are many ancient books. What the? Oh. Oh, no. Okay. It locked me in the room. Stuck. Yep. This book looks strange. I'll check it out. See what we got. Sam. And we got a key. Name Sam is spelled wrong on his painting. Maybe he's trying to tell me something. So is my name like Sam or something? Door is locked. Let's take the key. Ooh, a note. The greatest illusion is the existence of a unique truth. That is actually very scary. Because when you think about it, that means there's no truth. At all. Which means this doesn't exist. It's kind of creepy. Locked. Okay. Hey, it's Jack. Hello, Jack. How you doing, Jack? And the key. Okay, nothing there. Oh yeah, we gotta go into the other room. That's right. Let's unlock the door. Ruined key. Hello? Nobody home. Open the door. Hey, it's a grandfather clock. Okay, I'm starting to get scared. This is a big maze. It's another kitchen, and there's another. Where's this go? I don't know which way to go. Let's go this way. What's that? Go to this room. TV. Hey, not knocking this time. That's strange. Oh my gosh! No, I'm done, I'm so done. I am so done. Holy crap. There's blood everywhere. Go. Oh my gosh, that was freaking scary. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's blood everywhere. This is really freaking me out. Are you supposed to follow it? Or what the? Oh my gosh. More blood. This is getting really creepy. What the? Oh no. We're at a dead end. Alright, we're gonna have to turn around. Turn around. Oh, there's nothing there. Hey! We're out. It's the Slender Man! No. Hey, there's a note. Oh, that freaking scared me. That face in dark. What does it say? It's not time yet. Well, I guess it's the end of day 2. I guess that's all we're gonna do for now. Thanks for watching. Leave a subscribe, like, comment, and look for more on 7 days. See you guys later.